Hi guys, welcome to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Uthiru 87 Liza Heights. These are 3-bedroom apartments with a print area of 121 square meters. That translates to 1,300 square feet. The price of each unit is 11.55 million. Let's just hop in and have a look at the show house. This is one of the units. Let's have a look. From the entrance, on my right hand side, you have the kitchen area and the laundry area. And on my left hand side, you have the guest room. Let's start with the kitchen area. From the entrance of the kitchen, you have these perfectly fitted granite countertops that blend very well with the tiling and the cabinets of the kitchen. On my right hand side, you have a double sink with a tilting faucet. On my left hand side, you have extra upwards and downward cabinets. Next to it, you have your cooking stove. Above it, you have the heat exhauster or the hood. Below that, you have an oven that can act as a microwave. Next to it, you have a space for your fridge and freezer. Next to that, you have the entry to the kitchen pantry. And it's a very big kitchen pantry. This will be enough for your storage. Let's proceed to the laundry area. This is the laundry area, and here you have 2 sockets for your laundry machine, a tap and a floor trap. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, we are in the living room. On my left hand side, we have the dining area. And as per now, this dining area can hold a family of 6 people, but you can fit more. This dining area is lit during the day by this window. During the night, it's lit by this small chandelier. On my left hand side, you have the living room, and it's big enough for your family. Just in front of me, you have an area for your TV. And during the night, you get a lot of light from this big chandelier. You also get extra light from the side lights. During the day, you get your light from these 2 windows and the transparent door. This door heads to the balcony of the living room. Let's head to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, and it can be used as a guest room. This bedroom is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed. In front of me, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. Let's have a look. It's big enough. In here, we have a towel holder, a small mirror, a sink, a shower cubicle, and a water closet. We also have a tissue holder. Let's head to the other bedrooms. From the living room, this door leads to the other 2 bedrooms area. On my right hand side, you have the second bedroom. Straight ahead, you have the master bedroom, and behind this door, you have the common bathroom. Let's start with the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and it's slightly bigger than the first bedroom. As you can see, you have your ceiling to floor closet, and it's quite big. Right now, we have a 5x6 bed, but this bedroom is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed. This bedroom gets its light from this big window. Let's head to the master bedroom. Before we get to the master bedroom, we have this common area and the common bathroom. In the common bathroom, we have a water closet, a shower cubicle, a tissue holder, and a towel holder. In the common area, we have a towel holder, a small sink, a shaving mirror with a beautiful light, and an intercom signal. Let's get into the master bedroom. Wow, this is a big master bedroom. As you can see, we have his and her master closet. And this room is big enough to fit a king size bed with side drawers and side lamps. This master bedroom is fed with a lot of light during the day by this big window. During the night, you get your light from this huge center light and these two side lights. On the other side of the master bedroom, we have the master bathroom. Let's have a look. This is the master bathroom. And in here, you have a shower cubicle, a water closet, a tissue holder, a sink with small cabinets, a mirror, and a towel holder. Wow, that's a comfortable seat, and that was an interesting tour. If you would like a unit in this locality, feel free to holler us. There are only 9 units remaining. I'll leave everything else in the description below. And please remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.